Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome back to the channel. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. Can't thank you guys enough for always tuning in, watching the content, leaving your comments, hitting that like button. And also, if you're watching and you have not yet subscribed, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I would love to have you as part of the family over here at A New You. Again, guys, this is Nita. And I wanted to take you on a living room refresh tour. But first, I just wanted to share with you the few items that I picked up from Ross the other day. I got these two mirrors, kind of like straw mirrors. I love that texture. I love that style. And I have this beautiful vase. Guys, Elle over at Sentimento, she did a haul the other day. She purchased the same vase from Ross, and I just so happened to go to Ross, and I found the exact same vase as my girl. So Elle, if you're watching, girl, I got the vase, and I am ready to use it and style it. So guys, I want to thank you once again for tuning in. Sit back, get ready to enjoy this refresh tour of my living room. Guys, I will be using that color, the color of the vase, which is like a mustard gold or a, what kind of gold is that? A goldish color. And I will be using gold accents. Okay, let's jump into this video.
The way that I'm feeling when I'm with you, you are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm is making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm is making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Yeah, yeah. Inside a cage. Oh, yeah. One more night, one mistake, till we break. And I just can't help the way I'm feeling. Can't help the rhythms. I just don't like the sound. If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm a going out tonight. Boy, no, won't let it steal away my shine now. I know you're thinking about me from time to time. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Right? Oh yeah. This is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Oh, you're looking so surprised like you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. Give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm a going out tonight. Open high. I'm letting get into my mind now. No, yeah. He thinks he can. He's your man. He's just a boy. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. Oh. I won't let him get into my mind now. Oh, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man.